Tonight, health officials say you shouldn't throw away your mask yet.
News 3's Madeline Parker talked with local health officials who worry case numbers may begin to rise again.
Community safe. I just think that we need to not forget when we are debating masks that it should not be up for debate to wear a mask after our infection.
In the midst of lawsuits against school mask mandates and restrictions being lifted at the state level, health officials say not to throw away the masks just yet. When the CDC changed guidelines for COVID, isolation changed from 10 days to 5 days of isolation and 5 days of mask wearing, the 5+5 rule. For the most part, health officials believe the community has followed the isolation part of the rule, but the second part causes concern.
That part of masking is not in question at all. To keep our community safe and functioning, to keep our kids in school and learning, we need to remember the 5+5 rule. Stay home for 5 days and mask for 5 days.
It has been almost 2 years into the pandemic, and in Jackson County, health officials remind the public COVID is not gone.
We are seeing decrease, but they're still at a high enough rate that, just because they used to be higher doesn't mean these are not still concerning numbers. They're still really concerning. And we are still seeing deaths. In the last month in Jackson County, we've had 11 deaths.
Because of these high numbers, health officials need the public to stay vigilant following a COVID infection.
But it is very frustrating because, we all want to get to the finish line. We are right there with the community. We want to get to that finish line too, but we don't want it to be premature. I worry about if we get another variant, if we get another surge, it'll be very hard for the community to go backwards from this.
In Jackson County, Madeline Parker, News 3.